How many times a day do you unlock your phone? 50 times? 100 times? It adds up, and it's honestly one of the most annoying things about using a smartphone. But Android has a built-in feature called Smart Lock that keeps your phone unlocked automatically when it knows you are in a safe situation. At home, connected to your smartwatch or Bluetooth speaker, or even just when it's in your hand. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step right now. Welcome back to Michael's Digital World. Today we are looking at one of the most useful but underrated Android features out there, Smart Lock. If you're someone who finds it frustrating to constantly unlock your phone every few seconds, this is going to change the way you use your device. It's completely built into Android. It's free, and once it's set up, you barely have to think about it. Let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do here is open settings on your Android phone. And then in the search section here where it says search settings, you want to tap here and you can search for Smart Lock. And if you do not find the Smart Lock option on your phone, you can also search for Extend Unlock. Depending on your Android phone, you either find it as Smart Lock or Extend Unlock. All you need to do is tap on it in this section here and it's going to bring you here. Now tap on Extend Unlock, unlock your device, and then you get started with Extend Unlock. Now it's very important you read what's on the page before you get started. Once you finish reading, go ahead and tap on Got It, and you see on body detection, trusted places, and trusted devices. On body detection simply means when it's on your body, after you unlock the device, it stays unlocked while it's in motion. Like when you're walking with it, the device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down or lock the screen by yourself. Now to turn this on, all you need to do is toggle it on in this section and then tap on Continue. The other option here, which is Trusted Places, allows you to add trusted location. So when you are in that location and your device is unlocked, it will remain unlocked. Go ahead and turn on in this section here. And then in this section here, you can go ahead and toggle it on. To add a trusted place, simply tap on Trusted Places here. Unlock your device again. And then you can tap on Add Trusted Places. You can tap in the Enter Address section here and then type in the name of the location. Once you find the location, all you need to do is tap on Add and it will be added. You also have Choose on Map, which allows you to find your current location on map. You can also adjust this to move the pin to any point in your location you want to select as your trusted location. When you're done, tap on Confirm and it will be added to the trusted location. You can add multiple trusted locations if you want in this section. And finally, the last option, which is Trusted Devices, allows you to add trusted devices. So after you unlock the device, it stays unlocked when it's connected to a trusted device listed above, like a Bluetooth watch or a car system. You can add the device by connecting your phone through a Bluetooth connection to the device. Once you add any device, they'll be listed in this section. So a few security check tips before we finish. Tip 1. Smart Lock doesn't replace your PIN or fingerprint entirely. Your phone will still ask for it after a restart or if it hasn't been unlocked for 4 hours. Tip 2. Be careful with trusted places in public locations. Only add places where you genuinely feel safe. Tip 3. If you ever lose your phone, you can disable Smart Lock remotely through Google Find My Device. Tip 4. On-body detection is convenient, but trusted devices is the most secure option since it requires a specific device to be connected. And that's how you set up Smart Lock on Android. Completely free, already built in, and a total game changer for how you use your phone every day. If this helps you out, drop a like and subscribe for more free Android tips every week. If you got a question about Smart Lock, drop it in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.